She was the one and only Indian girl, all that was left in her tribe. She gave so much in her world, a love you couldn't describe. All were left for dead, except this one who said, "Now my heart is like a white wolf that forever roams, different from the rest, that wander and can't see all that used to be." They burned down all our homes, tortured and abused. She walked around confused. White man lies, we were used. She stood on top of a crest, wounds upon her chest. Say this world is too far gone. Like the white wolf, I go on alone. My heart turned into stone, tormented by their touch. They did just a little too much. This world, now my crutch. She said, I'm just a white wolf here. No more will I walk in fear. They might have tried to break my spirit. Still my soul is free. No longer will I fret, my will be done.